This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Traci Greene. Full brick basement ranch on 5 acres with front mountain views. This solid home has an open floor plan, custom cabinets by a local builder, sunroom/porch, freshly painted, beautiful hardwoods in the main, 3 halves on the main level with full basement with driveway for over__ of garage space for toys and more. Fit 6+ cars in the basement, workshop. Above ground pool. Some woods but mostly level for easy mowing. New market is nestled between Jefferson City, Dandridge, Knoxville, and Sevierville. RV welcome with no restrictions. Fiber optics internet. On well, but water at the road. For more information, review the details below or contact Traci Greene at 865-584-4000.